What's up, guys? Fernando here. Quick trade recap of today's trading day. Today we started the day off profitable. We started the week off profitable. Most importantly, came out of a phase of drawdown last week, and now we're back in the money. Took a $900 win for a 1-to-1. It was a negative R trade. It was like 1 to point 0.9, and I closed early. And the reason I closed early is this. So I had my key level marked out here at this zone already. Price had floated up and then sold off aggressively, and I had told myself immediately, hey, if price comes down to this level and starts to form rejection price action, I'm going to take that trade. So I was in the market for about 5 minutes today. It was very quick. So I took this trade here. Price came down to my key level, and then it rejected. And then once it went up to this place about here, I went ahead and entered, put my stop below, and my take profit was originally up here at this level, which it did run through, right? But here's what happened, guys. Price came up, it began to reject, and then it took away all the profits. It came up again, didn't quite hit my TP here at this zone, and I closed manually for a negative R. Why did I do that? Because I wanted to just psychologically start the week off green, so I can just gain momentum. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to have the stop hit, your take profit hit right at the point, or you don't close. If it's a couple points away and you need the psychological win, you close the trade. Don't be greedy. You don't have to be a perfectionist to be a trader. You know what I mean? Because what if I didn't close this trade here? My psychology is already in the zone where I'm not primed A plus, but I'm okay, right? And if market gives me green, I'm seeing green, I'm closing green. That's all I'm saying. Because today, for example, I was a little tired. Coming into the market, I was prepared. I did everything I did. I went over my strategy, checklist, everything, like a pilot checking a plane. But as price was fluctuating, I kind of felt my emotions a little bit triggered, right? So what I did was, hey, price took profit away from me right at TP. It's come up to close to TP again. I'm gonna go ahead and close out. So I closed out for about a 1 to point 0.9 R, which is slightly negative. I like to go for a 1 to 1.5, but we got the money. We started the day off green, so that's all that matters, guys. So yeah, that's just a quick trade recap of today's trading day. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. I post all the live trades that I trade on my Instagram and TikTok at Fernie J Trades. So make sure you check me out on there and give me a follow. Love you guys. See you in the next video.